How to post anonymously on Facebook group. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to post anonymously in Facebook groups but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. From the navigation bar, select Groups. If you don't see it in the default list, tap See More to find it. Under the Groups You Manage section, you will find all the groups that you have created. Whereas in the Other section, you will see the groups you have joined, either created by you or by other people. Before we get into how to post anonymously, I want to clear something up. Don't skip this part and watch the video till end. Let's first go to a group I have created from the Groups You Manage section. Now pay your close attention. Just below the Write Something box, you will see the Anonymous Post option. This means we can post anonymously in this group. Because as the group admin, I have enabled this feature. Tap on the back arrow at the top. Next, let's check a group I have joined from the Other section. As you can see, there is no option for anonymous post here. That is because the group admin has disabled the feature of anonymous posting for this group. So to sum up, you can post anonymously only in Facebook groups where the admin has enabled the feature. If the feature is not available, you won't be able to post anonymously. For more details, you can check out my other video on how group admins can either enable or disable anonymous posting. The video link is available in the card section or description below. I hope that clears things up. Now let's see how to post anonymously. Select the Facebook group where anonymous posting is enabled. Tap on the Anonymous Post option. A pop-up about anonymous post will appear. Make sure to read it thoroughly, then tap Got it. Now start creating your post that you want to be posted anonymously. Once you are done creating, tap Post option at the top. As you can see, my recent post has been successfully posted anonymously in the selected Facebook group. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to post anonymously in Facebook groups. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.